there would be so much code and data that you would have to feed this thing. Okay, it's still going. We're on 860 lines of code. When I worked for a music tech company, oh my God, the files, there's like pages and pages, like there's just like pages of code, and some of the pages would be so long, I'd just be like scrolling for ages, and if something doesn't work, like trying to find the thing that makes the thing not work is crazy. All right, let's see if this actually works. I've been on 24 minutes, not that long. Okay. Oh, I like it. I like it. What? Ah, this is so cool. Oh my, look at this. Look at that. I love that. And merch. All right. I don't know anyone that uses YouTube music, to be honest. Oh, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon Music Defo. These are, I think I knew one person in life that used these. Does anyone use Tidal nowadays? I don't know. Okay. Oh, so here we go. I will need to check and see if that actually works. So we've got yearly. Amazing. Number of plays. Let's say 100. Local radio plays, let's say 120. If you make music, please plug your music to radio because you are getting royalties. Small. Okay. Look at this. We'll keep it small. Average ticket price, let's just say £10. 70% venue court. We might say for the venue court, like 20%. Yeah. Merchandise. Let's see. Okay. Merch, t-shirts. Yeah, quantity sold. Let's say 5. Vinyl records. If anyone is doing vinyl these days, I didn't even ask you about vinyl. I just said merch. Let's say 10 here. Other merchandise. Yeah, let's just say 20. Calculate income. Okay, so you start to see, right, how you can really be building up an income through music. I've always said, right, that the music business is a business at the end of the day. The corporates and whatnot, they're all seeing it as a business. They're making money. Like you as an artist, you need to do the same thing, So 100,000. I'm not really sure what the CPM cost a mile is. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But so here, yeah, you start to see if you're really putting work in, just how you can build up a good income from music. I love this. I love this. Like, this is what I love. I'm gonna keep creating things. Eventually, eventually there'll be people in the live stream. Um, I would really like some suggestions on what you think I should create, or any other platforms for me to look at to create things. Tell me what you think. Yeah, please subscribe, because I think I have one subscriber, and it would be great to get two. That I would have doubled my numbers. If you subscribe, you double my numbers, which is amazing.